Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look, affordable using BH Cosmetics and more. So I'm going to be taking the Covergirl Trublend Base Business Skin Primer, the skin smoothing one, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And next I'm going to go taking the E.L.F. Putty Primer and just putting that in the places I need it. So basically the T-zone. And if I sound a little weird, it's because I'm sick. So yeah. So now I'm going to move on to eyebrows. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil in dark brown. I really like this pencil, the Wet n Wild pencil. But I'm not going to lie, I really hate doing my brows. Brows, they can be very time consuming. They take too long. So now I'm going to go into a foundation. I'm taking the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline foundation in the shade 330. So this foundation is, it looked like it matched, but it doesn't match. It's actually, it oxidized. It turned orange on me. But I'm going to make it work because I'm not going to quit. And I actually didn't feel well when I was filming this, so I was not about to start over. I'm just going to keep on going. I don't care. We're going to go with the flow. You see me stop like, what the? Yeah. It's dark. So moving on, I'm taking the BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. I have the shades 113 and 117. And they're both, I think they're both a neutral undertone. I should never chose a neutral undertone. I should have probably chose one neutral and one warm, but oh well. I'm going to make it work. I'm not very good at picking my correct shades or anything. So I'm just using the E.L.F. Flawless Concealer brush to blend that out. And then I go in with a Wet n Wild sponge to blend it out. But the concealer was pretty good. Nice concealer. I just probably got to get different shades though. So I still had some concealer on the brush. So I'm just going to take the excess concealer and just use it on my eyelids. So moving on, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium deep 30. So I'm just going to first blend out any creases before I set my concealer and stuff. Sorry about that. And if you hear any noise or whatever, that's just outside. Sorry. I hate when that irritates the hell out of me. And I'm also going to use the same powder to set my smile lines and around my mouth, because I know I crease there a lot too. So now I'm going to be taking the BH Studio Pro Matte Finish Press Powder in the shade 240. And put that all, and just set the rest of my face. So now moving on to the eyes, I did bring you guys a little bit closer. I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Cute AF Yes Please palette. So I'm going to be taking the shade G&O. So I'm just packing this color on first. So I'm slowly packing the color into my crease, and then I'll diffuse it later. So moving on, I'm going to be taking the next shade, French Kiss. And I only took a dab of that shade, because I don't want the I don't want it to deep. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yeah. I just took a light tap, dab, whatever, of the shade French Kiss, because I don't want it to deepen the color as much. I don't know if that sounds right, but yeah. So moving on, I'm going to be taking the next shade, Mischief. I don't even know if I said that right. Oh my gosh, today is a bad day. So I'm going to just pack that on to my lids. I'm just packing the colors on. I'm just packing the color on. I love how this turns out. So now I'm taking that same yellow shade and just packing the shade on my waterline, under eye, whatever. Oh, today is not the day. But yeah, anyway, I'm just packing that color. So right here is when I noticed that I wasn't recording the rest of my look. So I was like, I'm done. It's over. But anyway, I just did the other off camera, and then I had used a BH 10 color contour palette, and then I also used the BH Cosmetic Nude Blush 10 color blush palette, and then I used the Mario Badescu facial spray, the cucumber one, and then for highlight I also used the BH Cosmetic one. And then for mascara, I took the Colourpop BFF one. And then for lips, I took the Downtown Beauty NYX Matte Lip Liner. And for gloss, I took the NYX Butter Gloss and Madeleine, whatever. And that is the finished look, you guys. This is what it turned out to be. And everything will be in the description box down below. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Peace. Yay.